Check this out. So we've got these two screens. Also got this one from the back.
That's from the back seat?
That's from the back.
It's here!
Check this out. New Audi key. This is what all keys of the future are going to look like. Looks good, doesn't it?
It's tiny. What's it for?
What's it for? Slammed transporter? No, it's not that. Audi A8 L. Long whip.
All limo.
This.
Grubby fingerprints from the guy who was driving it before us.
So he's got his grubby fingers all over the car before we get to get our grubby fingers all over the car.
Can I just check something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So every time you touch it.
Fingerprint City.
For everyone asking, what's this colour called? Terror Grey.
Terror?
Terror. Not terror as in the war on terror.
Like terra firma.
Like terra firma. That's it. Oh, the seat. The seat's going crazy. Oh. The next episode of Blade Saga is... What did the guy say recently? That they are okay. You see that comment?
No? We'll flash it up.
Yeah.
They're okay.
So he was saying the blades, why have you got a blade? And I think you replied and said, were they ever okay? And he's now replied saying, they are okay if you know what you're doing.
We knew.
We knew what we were doing. Apparently you've got to rinse the car twice and then use the blade. Check out this.
That's cool, isn't it? So reversing camera and 360 view.
This is 360. So I think it uses little cameras all around the car, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll point them out.
I think they're in the door because if you open the door like this, the camera stops.
Yeah, so there's a guy walking past. Hello. If you go.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
So as you can see, these vans are almost on top of us.
That's the way they are parked.
That's where you were parked, yeah, we're almost underneath the wheel. Rear view, oh, let's have a look. 3D overhead view.
GTA view.
GTA view, oh, so you can, whoa. You can change the cameras. Oh, so it's actually got cameras at the front of the car and at the side of the car.
Every time you press that touchscreen, it's making like a click sound.
Yeah.
Do you feel it as well?
Yeah, it like moves slightly.
Cool.
Oh no, I don't think it does move. It feels like
it's
it
like
moves.
a buzz.
Yeah.
Haptic feedback.
Just before. Oh, it's a bit of a bus.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on, I have to put it in second gear. Oh, it's comfy this. Oh.
So quiet.
The seatbelt just tightened as we sped up.
Well, maybe you were just expanding. Do you reckon it'd make a decent noise when you're gunning it? Because it is silent right now.
I doubt it, no, it is just a bit, I reckon it'll still be quite quiet.
What's the engine?
It's
3.0?
Yeah, it's called the 50.
The 50 TDI?
Yeah. So we're gonna park it up. Gonna park up and then we're gonna get a little cloth and then we're gonna get rid of all the fingerprints.
And start from fresh.
And start from fresh. Because then we'll know all the greasy fingerprints are ours. Because this is ultimately all about grease. Grease test. Whoa. There we are, if I'll press this button. Oh.
It's not necessary, is it really?
That's good, that, isn't it? Yeah, I'll try to show this one as well.
Go on.
So you turn the air conditioning on and the vents are displayed. So generally the next couple of videos, we're going to do loads of videos about this car and it's basically just going to be me, Phil, no.
You and Phil?
Me and Phil. Basically just going to be me, Tim and Dave trying to figure out what all these buttons are. Check out the door. I don't like these.
They're a bit
See,
odd, aren't
because
they?
my arm is this way.
So you want to grab it from above. But how'd you do it?
You basically have to dislocate your shoulder. And as you do it, your seat goes back.
I was going to say, it doesn't help that the seat goes back as you grab it. It's like
Let's try again. Maybe are you supposed to go like that?
Yeah.
Like
a gun. Finger gun.
It feels like they've changed that just for the sake of it. It didn't feel broke.
That is strange, isn't it? Oh.
As you do it, your seat goes back.
It doesn't like, it clicks there to unlock the door. And then
it doesn't open the door.
So it feels like it's getting stuck.
Check this out. So we've got these two screens. Also got this one from the back.
That's from the back seat?
That's from the back.
What's it doing in the front?
So like you're driving along and you're like, so I've got this screen, I've got this screen, I've got this screen, but it's just not enough.
That one extra
So you
screen.
reach behind, you've got this one while you're on the motorway. Fingerprints have now gone. So a couple of ground rules. No touching any of this. It's a bit of a funny car this, isn't it? Because most people in their lifetimes won't even sit in an Audi A8, will they?
Nope.
Do you know what I mean? Even though most people won't even sit in one of these, all this is the future for Audi.
We were just saying, weren't we, the Q3, we'll put a little video up, but the Q3 screen is just ancient compared to stuff like this.
It's basically just like that, isn't it?
It's like this. This is how you would get the Q3 screen to come out. That's how like the video comparison will agree with me, but that's how you get the screen to come out.
Just explain the reason why we've got this A8. We basically just asked Audi UK. If you remember in the first S4 video, Audi S4 part 1, we took this photo.
Your screen's like all rainbow coloured, but yeah.
That is a lovely photo, that, isn't it? But we need more comments on it. We need you to tell us what you think of the S4 in that spec.